This is Tujamuladil. Naenka's Runner Diver bone conduction headphones are perfect for activities both in and out of water. Their battery life is up to 10 hours and they offer fast charging and 16 GB of internal storage. To begin with, we need to do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. There is no doubt that the Naenka's Runner Diver is the most versatile. It's just as good running and around the office thanks to the bone conduction technologies, but it's slightly lacking in treble details. Vibrations are sent directly to the inner ear by Naenka Runner Diver via bone conduction technology. The Naenka Runner Diver uses the same basic design as other bone conduction headphones, but its transducers are teardrop shaped and rather large. On the left side, there is a switch on button. Once you switch it on, you will see blue light appear on the right side. Volume up and down buttons are located on the left side. The Naenka logo is also embedded on the left side along with the charging slot. With a battery life of up to 10 hours, these IPX8 waterproof headphones are perfect for all sports. It is very good for swimmers and for workout to use these bone conduction headphones. I am not a swimmer, so I cannot test them in water. When you turn on the bone conduction headphones, they go into Bluetooth mode and pair smoothly with any device. A double tap will switch to MP3 mode. Single presses will stop the music and double presses will start it again. Long presses on the minus button will play the previous track and long presses on the plus button will play the next track. The speaker uses a 16 mm vibrating speaker and bone conduction technology. An earpiece on bone conduction headphones sit on the cheekbone in front of the ear. Rather than transmitting sound through the ear canal, they transmit it through the bones in the skull. Once the charging connectors are connected correctly, the magnetic grip of the magnets is very strong and it won't release the connection once you place them in the wrong position. Connect the bone conduction headphones to a computer using a USB-C cable to easily copy files. A 16 GB internal memory is available for music storage. The headphones can store approximately 3000 MP3 or FLAC music files. The headphones has been tested with a couple of MP3 music files. Although the sound quality is quite good, the bass performance cannot match directly to headphones or earbuds. There is a lot of flexibility in the headphone and they are very comfortable. Naenka Runner Divers are designed to be more substantial, so they grip the head more securely. They fit well on my head, though I'm not sure how they would fit those with the smaller heads. It is one of the most secure headphones I have ever used. You can wear it while running, exercising without worrying about it falling off. The titanium material makes it lightweight, so you can wear it 24/7 without feeling uncomfortable. The Runner Diver is a decent sounding pair of bone conduction headphones and it works both in water and at work, and its buying price is $169 and you can find the website links down below in the video description. Click on this video if you are interested in podcast or microphone. I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one.